Hey everybody, it's Mike over at Taxes and Bricks. Welcome to episode 83, I think this is. Yeah, if not, I'll flash the right number up on the screen. But today, actually, I've been on vacation / work vacation for the last couple of weeks, well, week or so. So today, actually, I've got a giant stack of boxes here. And it's all the August 1st releases that I ordered on midnight on the 1st of August. So I'm gonna open up these boxes for you. We're gonna do a little fun boxing. Woo, exciting. Let's just see what's inside. I have not opened up any of them. And yeah, so I know what's in them, hopefully. But they're all hush hush. I haven't seen them yet. So first look for me, first look for you, unless you've seen them already, whatever. Anyway, we're gonna start with whatever's on the top here. Yeah! All right. Crack into it. Boom. Ah! Tape on this one's sticky. All right, let's see what we got here. All right. Oh, this one is great. I am not sure how I'm going to incorporate this into the Lego City, but this is set number 76218. It's the Infinity Saga Sanctum Sanctorum. Very exciting. Yeah, it kind of goes along with sort of the comic book themed buildings. I've got the Daily Planet somewhere over there, which I haven't yet put together and don't know where I'm going to sort of incorporate that in either. But this one's really cool. Good box art. Looks like a really nice building. I mean, you kind of take away the minifigures and it could just be a normal modular building. And it looks like it's got that kind of modular style to it. So very exciting, fit really nicely in the Lego City. So that one was kind of great. Might be a winter build as I get into finishing up all the Lego City stuff here. Let's see what's in this box. All right. I'm waiting for this one. This is great. Okay. Set number 21058. This is the Lego Architecture Great Pyramids of Giza. So originally I was gonna buy two of these. As you can see right here, it's got a flat back to it, so you could use it as bookends. But I kind of decided that was a little bit of a waste of money, and especially given that the Hogwarts Express is coming out September 1st, and then also there are a couple of other great sets that are coming out here soon, coming up real soon. The Lighthouse is coming out, which is really exciting. I decided just to buy one and contain my excitement. This is going to be great. I'm actually going to try and put this together really soon. I might take a break from my Star Wars kick that I've been on here and get those together. That box can go underneath. Ooh, this is a big box, and I don't know what's in it. It could be multiple sets. No idea what's in this box. So let's find out. Let's see. Oh yeah, multiples. All right. Oh, very excited. Okay. What am I not excited about opening up? Okay. Oh, I got another free forest hideout. Put it with the other two. Awesome. Cannot wait. I'm gonna put these together really soon. Got the James Bond Aston Martin, and I've got Dom's Dodge Charger, and those are gonna look awesome up with the other two Speed Champions, and that's gonna round out Speed Champions for the year. So it's gonna be 2023 before we see another round of Speed Champions here. This one, I think, even though I've had a bunch of the art sets before, I got the Beatles and I got Marilyn Monroe and I got a couple of others. I think I'm gonna put this one together first. Pretty big Rolling Stones fan. I like the Stones. I mean, I like the Beatles more, but you know, whatever. But I want to do this on the backs of some of the Billy shelves that are kind of facing when you walk in my office. I'm really excited about that. Oh, and here's another good one too. This is set 10304. This is what's now, I mean, I guess the Icons collection, what was Creator Expert. I don't know what they call it now, but this is the Camaro, the 69 Camaro. I think that's gonna look real nice next to the Mustang, so that is great. Okay, there's one more box, and I'm pretty sure I know what's in it, and it's the one I've been waiting for almost all year. super, super excited about this. All right. Oh, the box is already open. Sort of. Somebody must have been taking a sneak peek. Better not have been the FedEx guy. All right. Here we go. It's the Atari 2600. Super, super excited about this. It's at 10306, 2,532 pieces. Comes with a couple of game cartridges, and then you get the console, and then they kind of show you in the back. You can kind of open it up a little bit and look at like a scene from an 80s bedroom, or whatever. But I mean, I think that this is going to look awesome next to Nintendo. I mean, this was my first gaming system that I ever got when I was a kid, and that was my second. And wow, so this may be the next big project to go. Very excited about it. 8.5 inches deep, 13 inches wide, so not that big. Which, if I recall, the Atari wasn't that big to begin with anyway, so very excited about that. And that's all that's in this box here. And I think that's all for the unboxing. So big haul. I'm excited about all this stuff. This is great. Sanctum Sanctorum, a couple of Speed Champion sets to round out the year. We got the Pyramids of Giza, Rolling Stones, the Lips, the Camaro, and the Atari. It's very exciting stuff. That's going to wrap it up for today. Yeah, I think we're almost done with Tantive 4. That's at home right now getting built. And I'm going to be gone for a little while. I've got a work conference, so I'll probably post a couple of videos that I've been editing and doing whatever with. But good unboxing today. This is exciting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my content with your friends, and have a great day.